Hi, boys and girls. We are now in the second objective of our math unit. So what we are going to be focusing on is creating numerical expressions to represent the digits on this clock. So I'm going to explain to you what that means. So we are going to be making number problems that equal the digits 1 through 12. I'm going to show you an example for 1, but let's first read the directions. So for this particular problem, I want you to only try and work with the number 4. It is a little bit of a challenge, but if you are finding that it's too much, you can use another digit, but just try and challenge yourself and only use the number 4. So you're going to use 4s to create problems that will equal the digits 1 through 12. Remember to use the correct order of operations to solve the problem. So you need to do it in this order: parentheses, exponents, multiply or divide, add or subtract. So after you create your algebraic expression, you need to make sure that if you go in this order, parentheses all the way down to subtract, that your answer equals the number you're trying to solve. So let me go ahead and show one for you. I'm going to do, and I'm going to only use 4s, 4 times 4. I'm going to divide that by 4 times 4. And I'm going to see if that equals the number 1. So I am trying to solve for 1. So when I multiply 4 times 4, I get 16. I then need to go ahead, and multiply 4 times 4 again, and I get 16. And now I can go ahead and solve. 16 divided by 16 does equal 1. So I have done the digit 1, and I know that when I go in order, I went from left to right. I multiplied 4 times 4, I got 16, and then I multiplied 4 times 4 again, and when I divide 16 by 16, I get 1. Your job is going to be to go ahead and do this for the rest of the digits. So you need to make a numerical expression. This, what I'm highlighting right now, is a numerical expression. Yours does not need to look exactly like mine. Yours can be simpler. Yours can be harder if you want, but you need to make sure that your expression solves for the correct numbers. So you need to make one for 2 through 12. I'll show you another one that you can also do for the number 1. So I could go ahead also and do 44. Remember, I'm sticking to 4s. And you could divide that by 44 to get 1 as well. So that's 2 different ways you can do it. One's a little bit more complicated with the parentheses. One's a little bit easier, just simple addition. Division. But go ahead and try and challenge yourself. See if you can stick to the 4s. If you're finding that that's a little bit too hard, go ahead and use different digits, but just make sure that you are testing out your numerical expressions so that they equal the correct digits. If you have any questions, just let me know.